Hello, my dear friends. A very good morning to one and all. So today we have a very special story of one of our students, Chaudhary. So Chaudhary has done his BSc in Geology with Botany and Chemistry as a subject from Irving Christian College, Allahabad. Then subsequently he did his Masters in Environmental Sciences from BHU, and he was studying with us in the correspondence with video program from BHU itself and working very hard. In the same series, he qualified the entrances and interview for Delhi University PhD program for environmental sciences under botany department, as well as in BHU in IEST. So finally, he has decided to join BHU for the PhD program. On such a remarkable feat, we would like to congratulate our student Saurabh Chaudhary and wish him good luck for the future PhD and research journey. All the faculty members, technical and non-technical staff wish him good luck for the future PhD program of BHU. At present, the institute is offering NET-JRF Environmental Sciences session for December 2025. The first batch have itself started on 29th of June. Institute is also offering GATE Ecology Evolution 2026 and Environmental Science and Engineering 2026. So those who have made their mind and ready to give some hard work and a rigorous preparation to get it done in one go, they should reach us as early as possible. Institute also providing the interview guidance as well as the research proposal guidance along with the mentorship program for all the career perspective in environmental sciences, whether it is the PhD and research, academics, job orientation in the companies, and government sector PSUs. Institute also offering remarkable programs in the field of life sciences for the CUET PG in life sciences subject, biotech subject, and environmental sciences. So those who are interested, they should reach us on our given numbers and contact details. And those who are planning, especially the NET-JRF environmental sciences, they should start the journey immediately because now it's a time to read and study everything in depth as the levels are rising for examination day by day. So once again, we would like to congratulate Saurabh Chaudhary for his remarkable feat and getting final selection for PhD program in both BHU as well as DU. Wish him good luck. Thank you.